Hi guys, so go Lily Mutams, also known as Group Z Morkashuka Zambia, here on Lily Mutams TV on Facebook and Lily Mutams TV on YouTube. Thank you so much for subscribing and following me on my platforms. Please and please and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. In this video, I'm showing you briefly something that I've discovered on Amazon. A few days ago I shared with you guys a video of me cleaning the house, but there's something that I've been struggling with cleaning for the past few months per se, because I am a fanatic of cleaning, and thanks to this product, which has changed everything and my perception about cleaning. So I'll be sharing with you guys the link for which you can order this product as well. So it's a Mistify Natural Screen Cleaner. You can see how dirty the screen looks like. I wanted it to be as raw as you can see it, so that at the time when I'm cleaning it, you will see that truly this product works. In this house we have about 4 TVs or so, and it's a hard job trying to clean all the TVs. So let's try and see. First of all, I like the packaging. The bottle is nice and simple, it's light. I like how clear it is, and how, you know, it says it's steak free, 120 mils, removes grease and smudges. And you know, children can be eating, you know, cake and all sorts of things, and then come and touch on the screen, especially that they grow taller. So let's try this product. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to splash on the screen. We are guaranteed that the TV will be clean, and then it comes with this cloth that we use to clean the screen. So let's try and see if we'll get these TVs clean. Let's go. I'm already impressed with what I'm seeing. It's a proper cleaning product. You can see how the TV is already looking clean. This is absolutely amazing. It's like magic, guys, you know. And as women, when we find something that works, we want to share with others. So I'm just sharing with you guys a tip of a product I discovered, and I love it. So you can get it off Amazon, and it's only about £14. I'll put all the price below. You can order it and have it delivered to your home. Look at that. And the good part is, when you're cleaning as well, you don't use a cloth that is scratching. This cloth is friendly per se, but you can see how I'm just going digging inside the TV, cleaning it, and the TV is looking absolutely clean. So this is a magic that I discovered, guys, and I thought I should share with you so that you too can use this product. Wow, just check this out. And I just needed to use a bit of the product, and it's already shining the TV. Look at that. So please do not use window cleaning products on your LED screens. Use this product, and it's a magic. You can see the difference from when I first started cleaning till now. The TV looks much better than it was. Look at that. Okay. I think that's a much better job. Of course, you can do some touches here and there, but you can see how the product is a masterpiece to have. It's a good product. The TV was so mucky, so I'm using a bit extra, but at least you can see the difference. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This product is meant for your flat screen. Look at that. Look at that. At least you can, it's highly recommended that you can clean your TVs at least, once a week or something, You don't need to clean it every time. But I love how the TV is looking much better than it was before. Tell me what you think, guys. So this is the product, guys, which you must buy from Amazon. So now I have a job to go and clean the second TV downstairs and the other TV on the other side. Let's go and clean these TVs.
I've been cynical, oh so cynical. Never thought somebody could save me from another fall, from another scar. But I'm all healed up, standing steady. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left in my way. So if I ever lose my mind, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. Yeah, you shine like a ray of light, cutting darkness out of my life.
The good part with this product is even when you use it, it doesn't like fume, like other cleaning products. This is like water. That's why it's called a natural screen cleaner.
You're with me and I'm with you. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left in my way. So if I ever lose my mind, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. Yeah, you shine like a ray of light, cutting darkness out of my life. I don't care where we go, I don't care what we do, just as long as I'm right there beside you. I won't ever let go, I won't ever be cruel, like the world was to me before I found you. So if I ever lose my mind, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. I'll be fine, 'cause you're my silver lining. I've been cynical, oh so cynical. Never thought somebody could save me from another fall, from another scar. But I'm all healed up, standing steady. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray.
So guys, you have seen how I've managed to clean 3 TVs of this house. The other TVs are in our private rooms, which I'm not going to show you on social media, but at least you've just had a feel of what I was talking about to say this product actually really works. Thanks for watching my Facebook and YouTube. I love you guys. See you on my next video.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you.
You can order this product on my Amazon store, www.amazon.co.uk/shop/Lily Matams TV. That's my link.